this video also for my students. How are you? I hope you are well and your head is very calm and cool. Welcome to my video. Today I discuss preposition again. I discuss preposition. Yes, I am not wrong. Discuss preposition is correct. Discuss about preposition is wrong. Discuss about something is wrong. Discuss doesn't take about. I discuss preposition. Is correct. Discuss about is wrong. Discuss doesn't take about. It's a very good suggestion and very good learning. The common observation is discuss takes about, but the reality is discuss doesn't take any about. Okay? Preposition is very crucial, very important part in grammar. I hope it's not very crucial to you. You have to know in high school level preposition very well. Sometimes the object of a preposition is a adverbial phrase. Example, the noise comes from across the river. The noise comes from across the river. Adverbial phrase. But here is very important thing is from and across. These two are both preposition, and two preposition are seated side by side. But here is comes from a unit across the river, then another unit. Adverbial phrase. You know that from preposition should be seated before a noun or pronoun, but here the preposition seated before a adverbial phrase, and the adverbial phrase is started with another preposition. So very important and very crucial also the preposition is. And another sentence is article was sold at over a pound. Is article was sold at over a pound or taka. Pound, that means taka. Here sold at and appropriate prepositions over a pound or taka. Adverbial phrase. Here is the situation, the same situation at and over. These two are both preposition. and they are seated one after one. It's very important. It may happen. Yes, it may happen. Noun or pronoun always not followed before a preposition. It may adverb, adverbial phrase, noun phrase, adverb or place, adverb of a time, etc. I will be done by then. Here, then, adverb of time. Then means that time. I will be done by then. Adverb of time. And before is by, and that is preposition. Preposition may be seated before adverb of time, and it may be seated before adverb of place. How far is it from here? Here. That place, this place. Adverb of place. And from here, this is preposition. So, preposition may be seated before adverb of place. And so many examples in English language, in English grammar. You have to follow a grammar books that is enriched with various kinds of examples, and you have to practice it deeply, profoundly, attentively, regularly. Without that, grammar will be a crucial subject, a very full subject. But necessarily, really, grammar is not very complex subject like physics, chemistry, history, Bengali, and any other very complex subject that you think. Grammar is easier from that subject. I hope you have learned a little from my video, and after that you must not see my video again, and you cannot bear my Mokhari on Facebook or YouTube. But if you like it, I will be very, very, very pleased. Thank you so much, my dear student. See you again. Thank you.